How to turn on or turn off iCloud photos, share albums on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on iCloud. Then tap on the CO button. Then tap on iCloud Photos. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Share Albums. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here say turning off Share Albums will delete all share photos from your iPhone. So tap on OK, or you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.